My name's Brent. I am a grandpa, and I make videos about all those pastimes people used to do prior to the advent of the personal mobile device. So come along with me. We're going to look at a lot of things that are outdoors, a lot of things to do with animals. We're going to talk about tools, firearms, and books. You want to watch all the way to the end of the video also, because I'm going to give you a preview of a couple of the books that I'm going to be reviewing off the top of my head on further videos. So don't miss out. Let's roll. So, back at it again. Glorious Halloween morning. So here in South Texas, it's literally like 64 degrees, 40% humidity. Thought, it'd be a good day for a walk, so just strapped the old rucksack on. Only got about, 35 pounds in it. Something like that. Go out and walk for about an hour, just a moderate pace, and get you guys some of the view of the surrounding countryside. Obviously right now I'm walking through a construction site because of the Texas housing boom and economic boom. They're just snatching up land and building houses. As a matter of fact, even 3 years ago, these houses over here, none of them were there. This was just a cow field. And to the north of us, it remains to be cow fields, which makes for some good rucking. Hey, so one of the prettier parts of my walk, see a lot of interesting country. It's just good for the heart, good for the soul. Speaking of unplugged things, how about railroads? There isn't anything more unplugged than railroads. Probably notice I'm walking into traffic. In Texas, it's state law. The pedestrians shall walk into traffic. That's the left side of the road. A lot of cars going by. That dude was texting. Ironic, since we're doing a video series about how to unplug. At least he didn't run me over. And one of the nice sweeping country landscapes that we see down here in South Texas. A lot of folks getting their Sunday morning going. Morning. I think there's just something about being on the road, just walking. It's just an ancient pastime. Like the exact opposite of being on your phone looking at Candy Crush or whatever the heck else. And so cross over the road here. This is my turnaround point and my train up. So I walked 45 minutes out and I'll walk 45 minutes back. It's a good way to schedule your day, right? Backwards planning, make sure that you're not missing any of your other obligations. Here we have quite pretty and quaint little Texas cemetery. A little bit of moment of quiet and more cars going by. So I'm gonna step it out. So probably in, who knows, 3-5 years, this will probably all be houses, I'm guessing. We got the road cut right up to the kind of east end of this. And again, good reason to be out walking. Get nice views of animals, vegetation, passing cars, Texas Longhorns. So if at all possible, it's a good idea, if you can, to include a lot of ups and down walking terrain on your either walks or ruck marches, heavy, light, whatever. So I've been out walking for a couple hours, and you can kind of see, if you look right about there, that's one of the hills I got to go up. Follow that with right in there. That's where I come through the construction site, wrap back around to my house. And if I look over here to the east, you can see this road here wraps back around, and then there's about a 30-degree incline, comes around, goes down a little bit right in there, and then back on up. And so it's good to just mix it up. You don't want to walk on completely flat terrain.
So hey guys, I really appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. The more I do them, the better they'll get, but we'll see. You keep coming back, I'll keep making them. So as promised, 2 of the books that I'm going to be reviewing. Number 1, the autobiography of Sir Charles Chaplin, obviously written by himself, along with a guy that helped him out. Made a famous movie about that, starring Robert Downey Jr., one of my favorite books. The second one, Boyd, about Colonel retired John Boyd, the fighter pilot who changed the art of war, written by Robert Coram. Some real good insights into here if you're a fan or a study of Stoicism. This is your guy. Some people say that he's a cross between Patton and Sun Tzu. So with that, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to click the like button and smash that subscribe button. Talk to you next time. Thanks, guys.